So we're back at the garage, or we're back at Tim's garage today. And what is the plan?
Well, plan is to get the Roadrunner on the hoist. I've wanted to do this for a long time, but every time I took the car down, I found a different problem with it. Sometimes you just gotta cut your losses and go, you know what, it's time. We just gotta do this. And like there's an exhaust leak right now that I gotta figure out. And there's a leak in the filler pipe for the gas tank. It's not a leak, it's where the O-ring goes into the tank. I just can't get the right O-ring.
What you said was it's $3 online and $25 to ship.
$25 to ship it, so it's O-ring number 328. So if I find one, I'll order one, but it's no big deal to just slide that out and slide it in off the car or on the ground. And we'll go from there. So we'll see. Well, you know, as you get older, there's nothing worse than a blown O-ring.
Okay, when do you want me to start turning?
Well, it's gonna hit a block right now, so don't
Oh, you've got a block, okay.
Yeah.
Ah, look at that. Oh, just missed.
Hit it?
But it did.
Perfect. There we go. Down.
Where are your rats?
Right behind. In the doorway.
Oh. I guess I'll put them both on.
What's that?
Just a little bit of light comedy.
Oh, I think I know what this is.
What's that?
Putting both of them on. Choke off. Hood kind of closed.
It's like a helicopter.
Oh, there's going to be even more once I get all my wires off. Did I remove the block from the front?
I did for you.
Did? Perfect.
After I put both those ramps on.
Good work. Way to old man bend down.
I only have so many bend downs left.
Right. Oh yeah, I'm not worried about the one.
Yep, you're good. Sounds great. Oh, is that what's making that noise?
Yeah, and the timing's off. I have not set the timing yet. Hence the stumble. I tell you about the time I got lazy and didn't put these in, and I fired one of these ramps across the yard? No! Yeah, apparently that happens. I did a burnout. That should do. That should do, donkey.
Gosh, these wheel wells down here look familiar.
Don't they?
What a curious red color. Yeah, you put it back on there.
Scatter shields and missing bolts on everything.
So maybe at the second part of this video, what we'll do is we'll snap our fingers and go for a spin. Snap your fingers. My camera's all wonky because it won't attach to the tripod, but I'm gonna go for a quick ride here and see how things turn out, and I'll try to... Oh look, you got exactly what I need here.
Driver, stop.
There's no seat belts to wear. This is weird.
Going for a little drive down by the beach and stuff. I'm trying to get the brakes to see if they'll lock up like they did yesterday, but
What did you think the problem was?
I think I had the master cylinder too full. I had it filled right up from when I was bleeding it because I was doing a one-man bleed job. I didn't think about checking the fluid level before I actually went to the car out.
No carpet going back on this floor?
No, too many holes to fix. I can't see them with this carpet.
Let's note the keychain there.
Oh yes.
So the last time this was on the road was when?
3 years ago.
And then the project all started with some minor change desires, or
Yeah, the whole plan was it had an inline 6 in it. I wanted to change out the inline 6, and I just wanted to do an engine swap. I didn't want to go too crazy or do anything weird or anything like that. So I, you know, of course, what that means, turned into an engine swap, and then what was it? Sway bars, suspension, transmission. Basically built the whole car. Oh, suspension's a little stiff. That's about 80, I'd say. Kilometers, people. Canadian show. Are they seizing up now? That guy's not seizing up.
Oh, yes. Whatever's in there's broken.
You hear the jiggling of the furniture. They're starting to drag again.
Oh yeah? What might be the cause of that?
I think I gotta change out my front lines. I don't think they're big enough.
Oh.
They're supposed to be 316 because that's like every line, right? But I think if I put us in neutral right now, we'll just stop. Yeah, I can feel them, dragging it just a bit, what they're starting to do. Alright, well, let's get the sucker back before we end up stuck. No more brakes the rest of the trip.
What's that?
No more brakes the rest of the trip.
Do what?
Well, I won't do it tonight, but I gotta pull my front brake line.
Oh, like you said, yeah, make it bigger.
Well, I bought a stainless steel kit that was supposed to be like a fitted kit to the car, and the back one sucked, so I ended up making my own, and obviously the front one sucks too, so. Oh,
you kept the ones from the kit for the front?
Yeah. Well, they were on and they were working, right? So.
That's right, yes. I remember you had a big problem with the other ones.
That's really slow now. I'm glad we did that extra bit of the trip, so I know. Real tree. I gotta take my mirror apparently.
I wonder if they're red at all.
I don't think they're dragging that much, but.
No.
Don't touch it.
Yeah, they're hot.
I'll get that figured out.
Whew. That was fun.
Yeah!